Hi, I'm Kathy Leone.
And I'm Kyle Marquardt, and we're with JL Contractors.
We're here today in Dallas, Texas, where we're re-roofing this home. What's unique about this home is that it has 4 layers of asphalt shingles on top of a layer of wood shake shingles. So right now, everyone's in the process of removing those shingles, and we're gonna place OSB sheathing on top of this decking to bring this home up to code. And then we're gonna be placing synthetic felt and Owens Corning shingles on top of that. So let's go take a look.
All of this work was paid for by the homeowner's insurance policy. Contact JL Contractors today for a complimentary storm restoration assessment of your property.